not allowed to miss this car because this is the C123 of Flow. Totally loving when there's no B-pillar. So now take a look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely wonderful. Also here, nice. Baroque style wheels, but not the original ones. There's still so many cool cars. And well, I'm remembering when I said I'm going to there, yet I still haven't been there, and I'm on the way to this direction because I'm still seeing some stuff that I don't know, like as this probably an X/9. Oh, here, take a look at this. That's wonderful. And there are also still lots of cars, so oh god, I'm just here and it is. I've been here since 10 and we have, oh god. Indeed, a 1/9 Fiat from 1981. Amazing. Targa. Bertone. Never seen one tuned like this because usually they are looking well, different. Well, see here, ducks. Anyway, here, so here's the Ritmo, by the way, or Strada in UK. And here, that's what the X/9 is usually looking like. Here, nice T2. By the way, we all have received this certificate of being here. Well, nice. I was hoping for a little coupon for something to eat, but actually I cannot eat. Damn, gastritis. The lovely Ford Escort Mark I with the rectangular headlamps. I have never seen one of these over here. Usually we have the round ones. From the videos of the guys from UK, I've seen plenty of them with these rectangular headlamps, but not with these here. Ah, beautiful. Unfortunately, you cannot get over there because it's wet. Caliber, there was also an Opel Kadett E. I missed it, unfortunately. Beautiful car. The beautiful Carmangia. And here that's, I would say, a 170. So the, oh, I still don't know. V or S, no, must be the V then. Golf Mark II. Loving the style of these old Mercedes cars. So, Memphis. Volvo. Buicks are leaving. Toyota MR2. What a nice car.
Finde den Fehler. Im Prinzip eigentlich das perfekte Passwort für den typischen AfD-Wähler. Aber in denen ihrer Welt ist...
Nice BMW 5 Series. Cannot believe that this is already 30 years old, but yeah, could be. I mean, late 90s, were they already built then? Not sure, but anyway, it's already an older car for sure.
Bella. Weißt du, wie der heißt?
Must be a club somewhere, I guess. That's another Fiat X1/9. usually you don't get to see any of these, and here we have so many. Really cool. And what's that? That's a 250D. Ah, it's a hearse, I would say. Yeah, definitely. Pizzola. So this is probably coming from Italy. Originally, I mean. NSU row 80. Row stands for rotary engine. This car broke the reputation of NSU back then, but also because of their policy about warranty. So when there was a customer coming and saying there's an issue, even if it's not really the engine, but they were saying it's something like that, they all got a new engine. And so customer service was nice, but of course this was kind of like, this is the greeting when the drivers of these cars were meeting each other, and it meant how many times did you already get a new engine? Design wise, really amazing. It's a car from 1967. Ah, beautiful. Opel Kadett C GTE Coupe. This time it's an underdog in this classic car show. So remember from the other show in Albrecht in Kalf, we have seen plenty of these. Ford Taunus 17M. I'm not sure if it's a P3 or a P2 maybe. Well, back then Ford Germany, so Ford Taunus, was using the letter P for the passenger cars, and then the number of which car was just developed at the time. So the first car has been the P1 and then the P2 and so on. So the successor of the P5, for example, has not been the P6, it was the P7. Alfa Romeo Spider, the last one of this body type. This was the, what was it called? Was it the Aerodynamica? No. Not sure now. Anyway, I find it really cool. And here, take a look at this. The Capri is leaving. Loving that. That's also a nice place here. So here you can see that little thing, the Japanese gate. British car, Daimler SP 250 Dart. Left-hand drive, really amazing. Rare sight. I've not seen one of these. First I was believing what is a French car, Panhard or something like that, because of that frog mouth. Lovely Austin Healey 3000, and this one is a left-hand drive. So well, we also had left-hand drive roadsters from Great Britain. Chevy Impala Coupe. Wow. I believe if there's no B-pillar, it's even called hardtop coupe. Wow, that's a beautiful car. Amazing. Beautiful. 220 CE. So C 124 series. Von Beetle is leaving. Oh, there's one other Spider. Yellow. Also nice color for it. Oh, another simple car. One more of these Renault 4. Usually I'm not seeing one or maybe one. And maybe with some luck two, but today I'm not sure. There's even one more. That's really nice. Almost through, but you can see that lots of cars have already left, so lots of cars I've missed because of being slow and talking with friends, which is also important and more important than filming. So anyway, here one more of these little Austin Healys with the frog eyes, the Sprite. And here, like I told you, another one of these Renault 4. Assuming there was a club meeting here, or they were saying the club, come on over here, there's a nice meeting, let's meet there. Very nice. And here this Sprite. Absolutely amazing. 280e. Ah, it's the facelift already. Stroke 8. So, how you can tell it's the facelift? First of all, we have these taillights with these ribs. These were meant to stay clear because the diesel was always making them dark tinted with lots of ash. And so the next thing is the pre-facelift had a triangle window which you could open, and here we have this mirror, this more modern mirror. The other mirror was just mounted there and was looking different. Also the hood is different. You're noticing here it's only a low, what is it called? I call it wobble now. So so it has the lower grille. The other one had a little bit bigger grille, so that was the difference about that. Also always beautiful Mercedes-Benz SL. This is the Pagodi W113. Such beautiful cars. Take a look at this. Wow. Ah well, if I would have the money, there would be signs.